Guys, let's just unpack ngazi indaba on Nguningia eMzansi. Nangu phela esethi ene u18 Mackenzie uKenny Kunene was set up. Oh, why you set up guys? Uyisukela wena wahamba endlini yesigebengu ukatisa Mulifi in Sandton. Who dragged you there? You went on your own. I'm just like, no. It's a story, lento kaKenny. And uKenny uyamazi ukatisa. I mean, that's just my thing every time. And he likes acting on his stories now. This week, he doesn't know him, he does. This is why we say, once Mkulukudu always esgebengu. There's no way, guys. There's no way. And do Katie Nubemshinche, Taga resign, say, I know everything. But both of you, Nani Gebengu at the end of the day. I'm just like, please stop. You're not any better. If you don't do the parliament, nothing. Like I said last week, Minanga was one more from 70. He had check a criminal record. So I don't understand. I Katie Mackenzie, guys, Uti, there's no way you can be involved in any deletion of anyone. Is an accessible guy and he is soft. Guys, he flew. But I don't have a choice. I am so sorry about my voice. Guys, I have to do the news at the end of the day as they come in. The next thing, Ukenda Vela resigning as an MMC of Johannesburg is just like, nah, I'm done, bye. But my thing is that why would you resign if you know nothing about Katiso? I'm trying to find a journalist for your newsletter at Katiso's house in Sandton. That's why you are there for Katiso Mulifi to interview him. So why do you resign? Go when you know nothing about Katiso Omas. Go up in a manji. Most resign, it's like we suspect now of some sort. All the things that PC Fearful Kolumkwanazi is saying. Yabona manje ukuthi nawo kusho ukuthi uyazifaka lapho. Ungena phone. Go allow Mr. Hatu Wabulawa and in Ferenegeng that was connected to Transnet from some engineering company lapho. Where do you feature when? But you're supposed to stand up for yourself and be like, hey, angazi next me. In fact, I was there accompanying a journalist at his house. Ukatiso. That's how. Kwamanje when usu feel ukuthi then also actually we also think then uyamazi Ukatiso. You know his shenanigans. So yes, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. It's actually growing fast. I appreciate you guys. Over. I just wanted to add, guys, Julius is no one's friend. You know when Julius said EFF, he started with Kenny. They were best friends. Yes. It's just like I saw also no KT inside the time. Please cela nje ningazodlala lo muntu lo njengoba ade sesensine iphile journalist ade hamba nayo siyazi ngiyazi journalist and isigebengu lo uyafana nalo uKatiso. In fact I even dance ebusuku mina. The way I'm so happy ukuthi ubanje uboshiwe. Guys, I was just like, wow, this is the same guy you started EFF with. Namhlanje usumkhuluma kanje. Uyayibona lento le eshiwo ukuthi guys lokubhiza ukuthi umngane wami but umuntu yena kasho ukuthi that's my friend. Unobhiza ukuthi he is my friend. You know? But guys labo lomngane baphela kabuhlungu. He's like he's rejoicing. He doesn't care about Kenny. Uyisigebengu anyways. Umgulukudu of isigebengu. Ngemile lapho guys. Thank you.